Hi, I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist, and I'm going to show you how to build solutions. I will show you how to integrate with Data Cloud and connect and unify all of your data, and to keep your org data clean by implementing data cleanliness best practices. So let's set the stage. We're Northern Trail Outfitters, a fictional recreational company, NTO for short, and our sales reps are signing up customers for expedition trips. Are you an admin who manages or works with data systems outside of Salesforce? Meet Data Cloud. Connect all of your external systems with Salesforce and get all of your data in one place. And these are our data streams. They're your connectors. They provide that continuous stream of data into Data Cloud. And we're going to use Data Cloud to connect NTO's loyalty program managed outside of Salesforce and tie a Salesforce contact to the loyalty system record, so that not only can our sales reps use the data, but it's available to marketing, service, and other departments as well. And we're going to map external system fields to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. So see that contact data lake object? Well, we're going to take the loyalty tier level field and map it to the tier level field in the individual Salesforce object. Then Data Cloud harmonizes the data from these streams so that the loyalty system and Salesforce can stay up to date. And you get that complete real-time 360 view of your customer so that you can deliver magical experiences just like what we're doing here at NTO. So we've just connected the systems. So let's see the customer data come together. And we're going to check out this information on our contact page with Devon James. Not only do we see our CRM data, but there's his loyalty status pulled directly from the external system. And we also see insights like likelihood to spend and engagement with us. And this is super important because your reps no longer need to swivel between systems to get access to that data. So that when a rep looks up Devon, they see that he's an MVP. So they can customize his experience and make it truly magical. But we're not stopping here. Use Data Cloud to make your customer experiences even more magical with automation. Now, I'm going to geek out here for a moment because I love to talk about flow. And you can do some pretty cool things like use Flow to pull in that loyalty data from the Data Cloud object, and then use that data to determine if we show exclusive MVP expeditions only available to our top tier customers. But how do you react to activity in Data Cloud that's not in your CRM? And because we're using Data Cloud, we can create a flow that triggers when there's a data change in that connected data stream. So we can basically tap into that. So let's see how we can do this. We're able to now check that loyalty system data stream so that when a customer reaches a new loyalty level, we update their contact record to reflect that new status and send them an automated email congratulating them on leveling up. And all of this is done real time. And I know I get all the fields when I get celebrated for reaching a new milestone. But these emails from Flow don't show up in our customer's activity timeline. And as a result, we don't have that full picture of what our customer is experiencing. But we can fix that. We can toggle the log and email. And did you see how easy that was? Now those automated emails are captured and appear automatically in the customer's activity timeline. And with that, NTO reps have that complete 360 view of our customers. We get that loyalty status updates from the external systems, and our customers get automatically congratulated when they reach a new status. And this was brought to you with Data Cloud and Flow. Now let's talk about data cleanliness. And I know it's not very glamorous, but it's super important to running your business efficiently. And AI can dramatically change the way that you manage your customer relationships. But it needs data that's accurate, updated, accessible, and complete. Bad data in, bad data out. So focus on data management now. And one of the best tools to do that is with validation rules. And with validation rules, we can ensure that when we add the preferred communication methods to our contacts in NTO, that the corresponding fields are required. So if our friend Devon prefers email, the email address is required. And when it's not, we get this nice error message letting us know what is missing. Some other tools include duplicate matching rules, pick lists, and conducting data audits with reports and dashboards. There are many features to help you keep your org data clean. And validation rules, as you saw, are one of the easiest ways to ensure that your users don't input bad data. But you can also use Flow to prevent your users from changing data they shouldn't. But sometimes those Flow-generated error messages don't make any sense to your users. And thanks to 18,000 of you who told us this was a problem via the Dare Exchange and Truth of the Core, you can now create custom error messages in Flow to let your users know exactly why they can't complete an action. That's right. You can now create custom error messages in record-triggered flows. Here's how. An operations manager might need to delete an expedition slot, but if it has participants signed up, they shouldn't. And this record-triggered flow fires off when someone tries to delete an expedition slot. It checks to see if it's open and it has attendees. And if so, we're going to show the user an error message. We customize this error message to show in a window on the expedition slot page. And we configured the message to let them know why they can't delete it. No more cryptic messages. So let's see this in action. Here, we're on the expedition slot. And let's try to delete it. And mic drop. Check out our custom error message. It clearly explains why we can't delete the expedition. And that's how you can use validation rules, Flow, and custom error messages to keep your org data clean and your users informed. So I just showed you a lot in this demo. So let me recap what you just saw. We use Data Cloud to bring in siloed data together in one place and take action on it. And we set up data cleanliness best practices with validation rules and custom error messages in processes. And that is how you can build solutions to drive the future of business.
Awesome admin.